Energy Star partner Honda of America Manufacturing invited the U.S. EPA's Energy Star program to participate in an energy treasure hunt. The event was held at the company's power equipment plant in Swepsonville, North Carolina. Over 3 days, teams uncovered enough no-cost and low-cost energy savings opportunities to cut energy use by more than 15%, a savings of over $300,000 a year. Once you identify a facility for an energy treasure hunt, it's important to involve the facility's management team in the process.
Ensure that the management is involved at the very beginning of the treasure hunt, so the associates know that the work they're going to be doing over these few days is going to be supported by their management. And I think it's an opportunity too for the management to also see what kind of opportunities are available at their plant and the cost savings that are available.
General process of a treasure hunt is typically you start 6 weeks in advance gathering a lot of information of the plant, looking at energy cost, energy consumption, the equipment that's there, how it's operated, how it's maintained, just an overall layout of the plant. And once that's done, usually it's a 3-day event on site where you're looking at non-production time and also production time, and getting out on the floor and looking for ideas and concepts of energy efficiency.
The next step is assigning participants to teams. For Honda's Energy Treasure Hunt, employees from the power equipment plant, as well as from corporate and other plants, were on the teams.
I think it's important to have different kind of viewpoints involved in the treasure hunt, because an engineer or a maintenance person may be thinking about equipment. A production leader might be thinking about a process, and a person from administration or safety might be thinking about the associate experience and how comfortable something is. And if you just consider one of those and not the other, you're probably going to end up heading down a path that leads to somebody not being happy.
But reach out to the other plants, because I think it was a big advantage to have, people from all over Honda North America to come in and give their perspective. Different eyes in different plants sometimes see things different. So I think there's a big advantage to having people from outside your own plant in completing this activity.
What's important is to have a cross-functional team participate in a typical treasure hunt. You don't want just the people that wear the energy hat inside an organization, but you want all kinds of a variety of different people, all the way from engineering to maintenance to production to actually accounting, HR, environmental, energy efficiency from different perspectives. And the more people you have, the better off it is.
Before the event, gather energy use and cost data, as well as other background on your facility. This information is used in the detail sheets that will summarize the energy savings opportunities the teams find. The next video looks at how to kick off an energy treasure hunt at your facility. For information on detail sheets and preparing for your event, download the Energy Star Energy Treasure Hunt Guide at energystar.gov/treasure hunt.